Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to resolve a ghost touch issue on your Red Magic Astra tablet. So first of all, let's make sure that the software on this tablet is updated, and to do that we're gonna have to open settings and then scroll down to system and update menu, and here select the system update. Make sure that your tablet is connected to the Wi-Fi and see if you have any updates to install on your tablet. And if you do, then download and install the latest software version. This might just resolve this issue for you. And if you're still experiencing it, then instead let's go to Features menu on the sidebar, and here select System Navigation. And if you have Gestures Navigation enabled, then select the gesture settings and adjust the sensitivity for both the left edge, so this one, and the right edge. Just increase or decrease it, basically to make your device less sensitive to back and forth gestures. And if you are experiencing this issue in games, then first of all let's activate the game center by swiping this toggle to the left, and here tap on the settings icon, then go to adjust operation, and here we can adjust the screen sensitivity by selecting either high sampling rate or ultra high sampling rate, and here we can adjust the sensitivity of the tablet during the gameplay. Beneath, we can also adjust the accidental touch protection, so we can select the range for accidental touches. You can increase the range if you want to get rid of the ghost touches. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.